So basically I have taken the screws off of this off the panel here. All the screws, all 3, 4, 5. If you don't find 5 screws, then you may break something. So make sure you get all 5 screws out. And then it's just a matter of prying with a good tool to pop. You get the first pop on the door, it will be typically the best. And then once you get past that, it's pretty simple. You just got to find an area that it will pop at. It's pretty strong. Never had one so strong. Come on, prove me a liar. Oh, I think this one pulls up. I forgot. Some of these are just real different. The whole thing just pulls up and modularly comes out like that. Now that's easier than anything. Here I'm trying to pry it, and it's not going to pry off. If it feels too hard, then just leave it alone. Don't force anything. As you can see, I was starting to force it a little bit, and this is my first time at it. So, see if I can get these, show you how to take these off. There's just a little pin, a little keyway in each one of these that you just press and they come out. Doors off, and I remember this car now. They have such nice insulation on them that you have to be very careful in working on this so you don't mess up the insulation. I think I'll stay over there. That's easier for you to see. Okay, so now I have to take the insulation off, which is, it looks like I've had it apart before, so I stuck it back on there with goo. And you probably want to get a knife and cut all this out. I'll be right back.